Hi, Sarah Bannis here, Spectrum Weavers. So I have something exciting. I have the May HTV Mystery Pack from MiVinylworld.com. So every month they come out with 3 mystery packs. They come out with an HTV one, they come out with a self-adhesive one, and they come out with a combined pack. This is the HTV one for May. I will link in the description where you can get this. They're super inexpensive, but I'll also link I'll give you a coupon code in there where you can get $10 off of 30 to make it even less expensive. So let's go ahead and look and see what's in here. Skittles. So, Thermoflex Turbo. Ooh, Deco Film Soft Metallics. One of my favorites. Oh, that's the rainbow one. That's super pretty. More Deco Film. Ooh, Chameleon. That's going to be pretty. Okay, let's just look at it. Oh, I don't know what this is. Can you see that? So this is like super duper pretty. It's got like a rainbow to it. Oh, you know what? I wonder if this is the Chameleon. So this is going to be really neat because it's going to give off a different hue depending on what color you press it to. So I'll do a neat project with this over the next couple of days. This is super, super pretty. What is this? Oh, you know what this is? What is this? I need to look and see on the sheet and see what this is. There's 3 sheets of it. This is... I wonder if this is carrier sheet for the printed. I bet you that's what that is. Let me flip this over. I'll bet you that's what that is. I'll bet you that's the carrier sheet. Ooh-wee, look at this. So this is the Deco Film. So this is super, super thin. It's like almost like a foil. And when you press it, there's like no line of demarcation. So you don't feel any of that thickness that you can sometimes get with HTV. It's just, I mean, it's like a foil. It's super neat. It like melts into the fabric. There's a bunch of Deco Films in the soft metallic line that I really, really like. Ooh, that's super pretty. I love anything in these shades, and like this mint or the oh, so this is the turbo. Oh, I bet you this is amazing. Okay, and this is too. So you have the 3 colors of the Thermoflex Turbo. That yellow is super pretty, but that mint is my favorite. So that's gonna be nice. I'll do something with that too. Ooh, look at, what is this? Ooh, that's pretty too. Look at this. Do you see that? Oh, that is so pretty. So this isn't like just a regular white. This is, what is that? That is Caesar. Oh, wow. So I love Caesar. I love their black glitters, like, oh, that's the only black that I use. I love it. But this is Caesar, and I don't think I've ever seen this one. This one is called Rainbow White. That is so pretty. That might be my favorite. Oh, look at this, though. That is really, really pretty. Look at that. And that'll actually look super nice paired up with this together. Maybe even with a little bit of like super dark gray glitter mixed in with it. That's pretty. Oh, this is pretty. So this is like, this is the gold. I wonder if this, oh, that is Caesar also. Okay, so this is tangerine, gold, and lilac. And this is also Caesar. This is Easy Weed. But that gold is super duper pretty. What is this? This one, oh, so I've never used this before. this is going to be pretty. So this is a little bit different. I don't know what kind of, I don't think that's going to have much of a texture to it at all, which is awesome. This is, what is this called? This is Thermoflex, and it's in coral, and it's called Metal Flake. And you can actually see those flakes in there. That's going to be super pretty in the sun. There's so much in here. Look at these. Okay, so that's right. So there's three printed. So the printed, you won't mirror these when you cut them. And that's what those first 3 sheets were. These were carrier sheets. Or the second 3, I guess it was. These are carrier sheets for this. So what you'll do is you will cut this, weed this, cut this regular without I think. So what I think you do is I think you're going to cut this regular without mirroring it, and then I think you're going to peel this off, and then so you'll weed this, and then you'll lay that over it, and you'll pull it off. I think. I don't use printers very often, so I'm going to have to print an Htv, so I'm going to have to verify that. But these are super, super pretty. You know what these would look awesome on? Any one of these 3. You know the mom buns with the hair tie and the sunglasses, and then to make the hair tie and the sunglasses one of these. This one would be super cute with that. I might do that. I might do that in the next couple of days. I wanted to make a tote bag with that image on it anyways. Okay, so this is, I'm loving this pack. This is, I always pick which one is my favorite. This month is going to be difficult, so I actually have 2 favorites this month. My 2 favorites this month are this is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if the light catches how pretty that is. There's like this super pretty, like almost like a mint actually, or green or a mint backflash to the glitter. Super pretty. So either that one or this. This is going to be super, super, super duper pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to have to pick, I have the perfect font for this one though. I think I'm going to do, like love or something like that, and then put a clever saying with it. I really like this. Okay, so that's it. So I will go ahead and I will link in the description where to get the mystery packs, and I will give you that discount code in the description. I'm also going to link, so I run a whole bunch of Facebook groups for Cricut and Silhouette users. I'm going to link in and also Sublimation. I'm going to link in the description, we have a Cricut group that's about 405,000 people. Super friendly, super helpful. I'll link that. And we have a Cricut and Silhouette group that's about 185,000 people. Again, super friendly, super helpful. We'd love if you come join us on Facebook. And that's about it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.